Hi classmates, I'm Reginald.
I'm Junel.
Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on mastering the laboratory meal.
In this tutorial, we will take you through everything you need to know in effectively and safely utilizing the lab meal in your next experiments.
So, let's begin. Firstly, let's understand what laboratory meal is and its significance. A laboratory meal is a specialized instrument used in scientific laboratories for grinding, homogenizing, and mixing various materials into fine powders or homogeneous samples. It finds extensive application in fields such as chemistry, biology, pharmaceuticals, and material science. Before we dive into the operation, let's familiarize ourselves with the basic components of a laboratory meal. This is Thomas Wiley Laboratory Meal Model 4 from Thomas Scientific USA. Laboratory meal consists motor, controls, feed hopper, grinding chamber, and interchangeable grinding tools or sieves.
The laboratory meal is versatile and can be processed a wide range of materials, including but not limited to grains, seeds, plastic, pharmaceuticals, and minerals. However, in our lab meal, we limit the materials that can be used to avoid congestion that could lead to its repair. Therefore, it is advisable to have it checked to our lab coordinator before use.
For preparation, ensure the laboratory meal is clean and free from any residue. Select the appropriate mesh sieve based on your material and desired particle size. And now for loading the material, carefully pour the material to be processed into the feed hopper of the laboratory meal. Avoid overloading to ensure efficient grinding. And for the parameters, adjust the grinding speed and duration based on the material properties and desired outcome. And now we can commence grinding. Start the laboratory meal and allow it to run until the desired particle size or homogeneity is achieved. Monitor the process periodically. Due to the model of our lab equipment, we limit the operation to 1 hour, then allow the meal to rest before proceeding again. For safety precautions, during operation, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as lab gown and gloves to prevent any potential hazards. Once the grinding process is complete, turn off the laboratory meal and wait for it to come to a complete stop before proceeding to the next step. And now for the cleaning procedure, proper cleaning of the laboratory meal is crucial to maintain its performance and prevent cross-contamination between samples. First, carefully disassemble the laboratory meal, removing any removable parts such as the sieves. Thoroughly clean each component using a dishwashing liquid, tap water, and a soft brush. Ensure all residues are removed. Allow the clean components to air dry completely before reassembling the laboratory meal.
Congrats, classmates! You have now mastered the art of using and maintaining a laboratory meal.
We hope that this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to utilize this indispensable tool effectively. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep innovating.